The wait is over! This is the brand new 14-inch MacBook Pro, and for the first time, we're looking at the M5 chip. I went with the 24 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, which honestly feels like the perfect sweet spot for power users this year. There is nothing quite like that first paper tab pull. Apple's packaging is still the gold standard for satisfying unboxings. Lifting the lid, and there it is. The build quality feels just as dense and premium as ever. Under the hood, that M5 chip is a massive leap for AI processing and 3D rendering. With 24 gigabytes of unified memory, this machine is built to handle heavy multitasking without hitting a wall. And that 1 terabyte of storage, essential if you're working with 4K video or high-res RAW files on the go. The screen peel, always the best part.